go to bed.
Okay. Good night, Billy Bob Joe.
Good night, Alyssa. I hope we're gonna be alright. See you in the morning.
Now let's remember graceful music out in the forest. Oh, who am I kidding? This is a camp out.
We don't do so graceful.
First we start with the raining animals. Let me just get a few pictures. Okay.
Okay. Now for the next part, we're gonna play some graceful music.
Okay, our next
I don't want to go to the zoo. I don't like the zoo, Mommy.
Watch and learn.
I want
Your godfather speaking.
I want it to live.
Go to
with
bed. And
you.
you and the pet fight. Here we go.
That's all for today on Claire's Camping Tip.